Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, an interesting experiment. Went down to the garage and brought up a Automotive battery charger, and I have it plugged into the dimmer that I built yesterday. Now, this is 2 amps, 10 amps, or 50 amps. I've got it set at 50 amps for actually starting a car. Watch this. I have full control of this locomotive using this dimmer. As you see. Now this has 50 amps of power available. This thing will go so fast it'll fly off the table, trust me. Now, I don't want it flying off the table, but it has more than enough power to run this entire layout. This runs just absolutely splendidly on an Automotive battery charger. So this dimmer works, there's no doubt about that. And it has a selector on the front. I've got it set for 50 amps there. Let's flip it over to 10 amps, flip it over to 2 amps. There's 2 amps. As you see, it still works perfectly. It does not go as fast now. That was full speed. If I flip this over to 50 amps or even 10 amps, it'll go so fast it'll fly off the table. So 12 volts at 2 amps. That new controller that's going to be here on Wednesday is 12 volts at 5 amps. So I have no doubt that it's going to run the layout just absolutely splendidly. And again, you have full speed control on DC. As you see, this thing will just crawl around the rail. Always takes more power in a curve. All right, let's speed it up. So, running off of an Automotive battery charger. Absolutely amazing. And just have it plugged into the dimmer, so I'm controlling its input voltage, which controls its output voltage. As you see, this is running this layout, or this locomotive, just absolutely perfectly, with no problems at all. Forward and reverse. And I have full speed from an absolute crawl to speed so high that it'll actually derail the locomotive. All off a battery charger. So these dimmers open a lot of possibilities for running your trains. There's no doubt about that. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. This works. Running the Marx 1998 diesel locomotive off of a standard Automotive battery charger just by plugging it in to this dimmer that we built yesterday. It's really interesting. I have 50 amps available here, so this will power anything. No doubt. I mean, this will power any locomotive I have. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. I think it's actually quite fascinating to do these experiments. And just by using this simple dimmer that we built, you can probably look through your closet to find something to run your locomotive on, or your garage for this matter. And it's a standard 12-volt battery charger. And it's running this train just absolutely perfectly with no problems, no glitches, more than enough power. We have our choice, 2 amps, 10 amps, or 50 amps. As you see, this is running just absolutely splendidly. And I have full control over it with this dimmer. Like I said, you can really turn this thing down, as you see. Full directional control. And the nice thing about this push button is you can change the direction without changing the speed. You don't have to turn it down and then turn it back up. You can just push the button, shut it off, and it'll run forward or reverse at the same speed without changing the speed at all. As you see. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video to document the experiment. This works. There's no doubt about that. This works absolutely splendidly. Excuse me. So in any case, just want to do a quick video running the layout on an Automotive battery charger with absolutely no problems at all, just using this simple dimmer that we made yesterday. $10 to assemble this, and it works just absolutely perfectly. So just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.